Hi there, Chris here. I'm going to try and pick this master lock that I just got in a package from Rook Knight. As we all know, I suck at master locks. Here's the bitting on the key. There's Suki running around. It works quite well. So I'm going to try and pick into this. Another thing is I am behind on the Suki 400 sub giveaway entries. I will be catching up tomorrow morning and making a list of who's in so far. I have watched and qualified a couple of people. I think there's 7 or 8 entries so far, but I do want to catch up and get you all on the list started and all that. So I will be doing that tomorrow morning and showing you where we are on that. I don't know why Suki's all revved up, but she is. And I was able to get it open, which is always funny to me because I suck at these. What am I looking for? I think I'm looking for this, maybe? Oh, good. One thing I don't like about this is it's so noisy. I know, I am like such a wuss. All right, so there's our screw. Let's see if this guy's gonna give me trouble. Yeah, I can tell he is. Should pull up and out. Pull up and out. Oh, it's gonna be one of those little cores. I may have to pass. Well, no wonder I got in it. It's the world's tiniest core. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on gutting this with the crimped core. I know I've done them before, and I'm gonna make a crimped core. I'm gonna take a piece of wood and flatten a little bit of the side. Anyway, thanks for watching and entering and subscribing. Check out Rook Knight. Thank you so much for sending me this. Always a good day when I can pick a master lock. Anyway, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you next time.